How to add stop in Uber. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can add stop in Uber. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. In order to add stop in Uber, first you want to open up Uber application there, and now what you want to do is you want to head into enter a pickup point option, and you want to enter in your pickup point. Now I'll just add it up from my location, and then here you can see where to option, and there beside it you can see the plus icon at the right hand side. You want to tap on it, and then here now you'll be able to add a stop. You can see here me, and then you can tap on add a stop, and then you can go ahead and add another stop here, and then you can add another stop, the final destination as well. So this way you can add stop in Uber. You'll have to tap on the plus icon at the right hand side. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.